a time and there once was a way. We had something going and to my dismay, attention to me seemed to drift though I don't know where. And when we're alone seems there's nothing to say. I bring up the topic, you push it away. You say that you do, but I think it's just you don't care. Why do I feel your news